I realized that not every day is an exciting day. I can talk from experience. Filming my boring days and documenting my everyday doings has actually made it a lot more interesting. It's actually put a lot more smiles on my face and a lot more enjoyment towards my life. I love making things cinematic, so why not make the boring things look cinematic? And that just makes my boring things a little bit more exciting. Super happy where things are. God has blessed me with so much opportunities. Thank God for everything, really.
Hey, what's up guys? SV Gamer back here. Everything is all gaming. Maybe when I go higher and when I'm confident enough to vlog.
Because I already feel like I'm at a point in my life where younger me would have been such a fanboy of myself. Really, the magic of the camera, the magic of your mind, the magic of your creativity can change your boring life. You could probably make it a little more exciting and probably something that you would want to look forward to towards your day-to-day life.